na bali bekiama gia ODM Linda Ground niko bakorire EGEIKARO imiyumu cio Nairobi asiba bekirete neni obakorere bwe serikali korwa esoa a service miaka 3 yaitire abarayabo niko batebire kubatikana no kubwatira noko kwa begetuye na nyagosira Raila Odinga no marayibense Dr. William Ruto SAE ense ya Kenya nigegendete buya na nigo ebirengo bya uchumi byabeire bigokina abarayabo bakoragwa no mukonyi bo marayibense Professor Kithure Kindiki nabo igo Oburu Odinga nigo batebire serikali nigegendete guikirania amagendero okyasaba Kenya gati yabo muswada wa magacho ya magendero uyu murayibense abigitese ritko ligoro uyu batebire urachiye gokonya guikirania amagendero ase ense nabo igo ase chinsemo mulkito Linet Nyambane na robotere
ase EGEIKARO kiabaretamo abaraikurwa ase kiama gia ODM na baribe kiama kia UDA bari bagusire serikali ime nyumba yemesangrekano aso mucho Nairobi serikali nigo yaereire emeroberio boigo emeremo yaikeranire kurwesoa ase abisi egeka kemiaka 3 yaetire omukonyi bwo muraibwense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigatogiri omuraibwense aso koimukia ebitambukiro ebikongu ebibeire ense ya Kenya kugenderera gukora buya ase uchumi ense egento atebire omuraibwense niganyorete ense tabwati kende naende nigo konye ense yagure.
Why? Because immediately you were sworn in office, you made very difficult, painful and unpopular decisions that helped bring our economy back on track, including negotiating a G2G arrangement for the supply of crude oil, which was not available in 2022 September. People were queuing to buy petrol. And we saw the escalation of costs of petrol, which is a big contributor to inflation.
Kindiki boigo nigatebire okubwatira nagwe serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ne kiama kia ODM nigo kwereire obogima kwororoba imeyense.
Through your leadership and with the support of the broad-based administration, we've been able to bring down a number of macroeconomic indicators that were affecting our economic environment. Number one, prices of essential commodities that had skyrocketed and therefore influencing the cost of living negatively have been stabilized over time, including unga from 250. Today, unga from 138 shillings going forward, you'll get your unga depending on the type.
Committee yechi agenda ikomi eyo manyekante buna 10-point agenda gekoragwa no munyakerogobo Agnes Zani nigo yatebire umoroberio yo 10-point agenda nigo bekire amachiko buna ense erachigusukwa mutwe ase amatukare bosyo
who have been doing this implementation, and this has to be very clear. Because we cannot then say, between August and now, what has happened to the implementation of the 10-point agenda? It is ongoing, ever has been ongoing, and even from what His Excellency, the Deputy President, has indicated, various issues have been going. But we were given this impetus from a political point of view.
Egati yabaraibe kiama gia ODM awekirana asense meyo nigoba kwanere igoro yoroboti rwa 10-point agenda.
I'm grateful that it is said that the equitable share of revenue to counties has increased to 385 billion shillings in financial year 2024-2025 to 415 billion shillings in financial year 2025-2026. This is good. And it is projected to rise to 450 billion shillings in 2026 and 2027. We are happy about that. But you know, as I said, we will never stop asking for more.
Mr. President, I want to inform the country that broad-based government started long before the 10-point agenda came. Mr. President, therefore, it cannot depend, the broad-based arrangement cannot depend on the 10-point agenda. 10-point agenda was meant to strengthen the broad-based arrangement.
Korpoteria en Soko TV, Erietaria ne Lenet Nyambane.